Is your cup on your bowl, Carter?
Can you take it down?
No.
That's right, down. You put it back up? Good.
No. No.
That's right. The cup's up. Your cup is up.
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 Now take it down.
No.
That's right. Good job, buddy. Yay!
Up.
Isn't it funny?